Crypto is no longer just a side market. It's becoming one of the biggest opportunities of this decade. Hedge funds are moving in, politicians are talking about it, and people like Elon Musk and Donald Trump can move billions with a single tweet. If you're still only trading stocks, you're missing where the future is heading. But before you can trade crypto, the most important step is to get the crypto symbols and historical data. You might have noticed that crypto data is harder to find compared to US stocks. In this video, I will show you how to download historical crypto data from Binance, the CCXT library, Yahoo Finance, and the Tiingo data library, and then load it into RealTest. By the end of the video, you will know how to download crypto symbols automatically using Python from Binance, download symbols from Tiingo through their API, and also download data from Yahoo Finance. Don't worry if you're not technical. I'll also show you how to get over 1,000 crypto spot and futures symbols for free. Before I show you the methods, I want to mention for new viewers that at Setup Alpha we do quantitative research and create trading strategies for RealTest. But you can also use these strategies in Python, AmiBroker, or any other platform you prefer. Our research is based on academic papers and in-house private studies. No overfitting, all stress tested, and grounded in first principles. So if you lack time or expertise, we can help you find the best trading strategies. Check out the live performance links in the description below. First, we created a Python script that downloads crypto futures from Binance. Just click Run, and it automatically starts downloading crypto data. I won't go deeper into the code here. You can download this code for free. Link is in the description below. We can also code Binance spot symbols, but this time we'll download them from a different source. Now from the CCXT library, again we have code that downloads the symbols. And as I mentioned, you can download all these symbols for free, along with the Python codes. Just check the links below. But what if you've already downloaded those symbols? First, open RealTest and go to the import section. If your crypto symbols are in CSV files, you need to change RealTest's import data source to CSV. Next, add the CSV fields and label them: symbol, open, high, low, close, and volume. Then specify the data path. That means where the data is coming from. Locate your crypto symbol, CSV files. I'm copying the path of that folder, then I paste the path here and click import. It takes a few seconds, and then we can see USDT symbols. So as we can see, here are the Binance symbols. And there's another way to download Binance historical data too. Just go to Google, type Binance historical data, click the first link, and then choose the data you want. For example, let's take spot prices with daily K lines. We can find whichever symbol we want. For example, let's choose the first symbol and select the time frame. Let's use daily, and then we can see that every day we can download daily data. So basically, if you didn't know this, you can get previous day data like this. But let's move on and try downloading data from Yahoo Finance. This is probably the easiest way, but the crypto data may be lower quality. First, go to finance.yahoo.com. For example, I want to download Bitcoin. Its symbol is BTC-USD. Copy the symbol. Then go to RealTest. Set the data source to Yahoo. Delete the old entries from the include list. Paste the symbol there. And again, click import. Then we can see, yes, this is the Bitcoin data from Yahoo Finance. You can download multiple symbols as well. For example, if you want Solana USD, do the same thing. Copy the symbol name. Go to RealTest. After Bitcoin, add a comma, a space, and then the Solana symbol. Click import, and now you can see Solana as well. Yes. The next way to download crypto data is by using Dingo. This is the Dingo website where you can download stocks, crypto, and more. Let's sign up. I'll quickly create an account. Now I have an account in Dingo. Next, go to the documentation and click Connecting. Click here to see your API token. Copy the token and close the window. Now we need to find our RealTest folder on the local PC. Inside, you'll see a file called realtest.ini. Right-click it, open with Notepad, then press Ctrl F and type Tiingo. This finds the Tiingo API key. Paste your API key here. Don't change anything else because it could break RealTest. Then press Ctrl S to save. Make sure RealTest is closed while you do this, and then reopen RealTest. Now change the data source to Tiingo. In the include list, add a Tiingo symbols you like to download. For example, BTC-USD. Click Import. And now we have downloaded BTC-USD. We get data all the way back to 2012. So yes, that's a huge amount of history. And you've just learned how to download crypto market data from Binance, CCXT, Yahoo Finance, and Tiingo, and how to load everything into RealTest so you can start building your own strategies. In the next video, we'll take the data you just downloaded and actually test crypto trading strategies inside RealTest. I'll show you which approaches hold up, so if you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll be notified when the crypto strategy testing video goes live. If you have any questions about this tutorial, or if you ran into issues setting up your data, drop a comment below. I read all of them and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we put these crypto strategies to the test.